Our country is a challenging time indeed. It's really challenging where you have parents complaining. My name is Miss Grace Ubele. I'm the head of school for Excel Preparatory School, University School. It was wonderful. We had a very glorious beginning. Yes, I'm yet to receive all of my pupils, but hopefully in the course of the week, they will all be in school. And for the new intake I had today, I want to say you're welcome to Excel School, and you will not regret your stay here. It's going to be a wonderful journey with us here. I'm afraid I got a course for every one of us. Our country is a challenging time indeed, even for the business. It's really challenging where you have parents complaining. Of course, we understand. Nigeria has become something that we are all praying to God that we wake up tomorrow and see something better than what we have. But hopefully, with God on our side, we believe we'll travel in this time. We will. To my wonderful, amazing parents, I want to say welcome to this session, and I want to tell you that Excel will not let you down. We've always had your back and we'll continue to have your back. Expect greater things from us this term. And to my learners, expect a wonderful journey. It's going to be a mind-blowing journey this term. We are set to learn new things, do creative things, and school is going to be fun as usual. To my teachers, I love you all, and I want to tell you that in this time, we should put in more efforts, and God has continued to strengthen, has always been our help, will continue to strengthen us, and He will help us. Never get tired, because your reward is just by your side.